Hi. In this lesson, I'll show you how to stop text from reversing after using the mirror command in AutoCAD. For example, I have this text and I want to mirror it. Type mirror in the command line and press Enter, then select the text. As you can see, the text flips. To fix this problem, type MIRRTEXT in the command line and press Enter. Then enter 0 and press Enter again. Now let's try the mirror command once more. Done. The text is mirrored correctly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical AutoCAD tips and tricks.